Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In last video we looked how to turn your appointment, but in this video we will see about gay, great or feedback. So let's see about that. After done this appointment, send mail to the customer and provided here this 5 star out of the 5 star. If you want to give 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 out of 5, then easily select here the star. Like I want to give here total 4 star. Then when you click on the star, then directly open here and display here confirming your rating and you're selected 4 out of 5. And if you want to any comments, then easily write here. Otherwise submit here this your rating. Now click on the submit rating and display here thank you message. Your feedback for this appointment one has been recorded. Now easily go to your home page. Now go to your housekeeping app. Go to your appointment, and when you open this and under this rating section, now note here total average 4, rating count 1, and submit it on with date and timing with rating value and no comment. So you can easily give your rating or feedback. Next video we will see your oven task on the website side. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.